what are the factors that you must keep in mind when you're deciding to go in for a corrective jaw surgery? Hi, I'm Dr. Shreya Krishna, your trusted oral and maxillofacial surgeon from New Delhi. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी that if you're considering jaw surgery, आपके माइंड में क्या क्या शॉर्टलिस्टेड क्राइटेरिया होने चाहिए जिसके बेसिस पे आप डिसाइड करेंगे where you're going to get the surgery done, whom you're going to get the surgery done from. So the first most important is who is going to be the doctor who is going to be performing your jaw surgery. Well, corrective jaw surgery is actually a branch of oral and maxillofacial surgery, wherein the corrective jaw surgery not only involves कि हम आपकी bones को reposition करें, because when हम आपकी bones को reposition करते हैं, हमारे teeth की placement भी change हो जाती है. So it has to be somebody with a combined knowledge of the bones and the teeth, and no better than oral and maxillofacial surgeons. When you're choosing your oral and maxillofacial surgeon, please look out for correct board certifications and dental council registration, which is absolutely mandatory. The cherry on the cake can be somebody who has an additional fellowship in treating with particularly the cases of corrective jaw surgery. The second most important factor is कि जो surgery है ये कहाँ की जाएगी. Corrective jaw surgery is categorized as a major surgical procedure. It is almost always performed under general anesthesia. It involves moderate amount of blood loss. Certain conditions of jaw surgery like bi-jaw surgery or more complicated cases of distraction surgery can also require you to stay in ICU for a longer period of time. It is also a surgery जिसमें facial swelling बहुत ज़्यादा develop होती है after the surgery, so risks to your breathing and to your airway is also existent. Hence, you have to go to a center or you have to ensure that your doctor is performing the surgery in a center जो बहुत well equipped है in terms of ICU care, in terms of blood bank facility, and in terms of excellent anesthesiologist backup. The third most important factor is that how close will it be to your house or the city where you're getting it done. Does it have enough family and friend support for you? जो पीरियड आफ्टर करेक्टिव जॉ सर्जरी होती है उसमें आपकी जो केयर होती है फॉर द फर्स्ट 4 to 6 weeks ऑफ अ वेरी हाई लेवल. Dietary restrictions, physical activity restrictions, and amount of talking that you can do is limited by your doctor. Hence, you have to be surrounded by capable caretakers. If maybe the city is not where you reside, it has to be in a place where there will be people either who will be willing to come along with you and stay for that particular period of time, or where you already have a lot of relatives who have willingly given their time and energy to you, or you are doing it in the same city where you reside, where you have all the facilities in place for you. The last is of course cost factor. Even though the trend is reversing, thankfully we are seeing more and more patients. In fact, American citizens, US citizens who are actually coming to India now for these surgeries for cost purposes. The reverse was also true. A lot of Indians would travel outside the country, and logistically it would end up to be a bigger disaster than it benefited them. So logistically and cost-wise, you must consider many things. That if you're choosing a center which is really far away from where you live, it really adds to a lot of expenditures and it really complicates the matters about the post-operative care. And lastly, what stage of orthodontics are you in, and have you connected your surgeon with the orthodontist? Well, leave this to the surgeon to decide. A lot of times surgeons prefer to immediately do the surgery and then follow up with braces. Sometimes minor braces correction is needed before the surgery can take place. So connecting your orthodontist with your surgeon is important. In case you don't have an orthodontist yet, then let your surgeon make you meet the appropriate orthodontist. कोई भी और query है, please drop in a message and do subscribe to my channel.